Hello everyone. So yes, you heard the title correctly, I will edit your videos. If you're starting off a YouTube channel and you just have no way of editing, I will do the editing work for you. I don't really have that big of an editing style. All I really know how to do is simple cuts, add some text, add some pictures on there, maybe some transitions. That's all I really know how to do. Unfortunately, this work isn't going to be free because I need the money. I'm growing up, I'm not a teenager anymore, I have responsibilities and things to take care of and pay, so I'm gonna have to get support for that. I don't have a full-time job yet, or even a part-time, so I'm doing this as a way to just get by for a little bit. This isn't gonna be like a full-time thing. I'm just gonna do little projects here and there for those people that want me to edit for them. If you want to know how to reach out to me to edit, I created a YT Jobs profile. You can click the Hire Me button on there, and it'll tell you, hey, I would like help with this kind of video. These are all the video styles that I'm very familiar with, so these will be a pretty easy job to edit for me. The main program I use is Final Cut Pro. I edited a long gameplay video of Lethal Company from my friend. This was an hour-long recording cut down to 26 minutes and 9 seconds. I don't know how to set prices though, because I don't really feel that my editing style is that good to make much money off of, because it's kind of simple. But maybe simple is what people like, and maybe people want more simplicity and less Mr. Beast weird effects and fast-paced stuff, you know? So let me know if you want me to edit a video for you, and I shall surely try my best to get it done. Anyways, that's all I wanted to say for this video. If you have enjoyed and you want to see more videos like this that I actually make, make sure you leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next video.